Kazumi.
And this is J Ray Eats. I'm about to roll up a dish that is called. Do you guys remember what it's called?
This is something.
It's called pollo with
banana flour salad with chicken.
chicken is here.
The Vietnamese love their deconstructed meals.
Oh, I love deconstructing, but now I'm constructing it up.
Yeah.
So this is some delicious chicken, I think. I'm saying delicious so much. I'm gonna say masarap. Means tastes hella good. I'm sarap. I'm masarap. Okay, and then I put noodles up here. I'm gonna put some other stuff.
This is like a weird egg roll. I don't know if any of these things even belong together.
Well, we're gonna make it happen.
I mean, Vietnam's never been wrong yet.
So, okay, I put some stuff here, and then now I'm gonna get the sauce. The sauce. Here's the sauce. Y'all asking for the sauce? Here's the sauce.
You got the sauce.
Here we go. We're gonna pour it. 3, 2, 1.
Slurp.
Okay. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take the edge and I'm gonna roll up. So here we go. Wash the nails.
You got experience?
Here you go.
Rolling that shit up.
I'll roll it like 1, and I roll it. Oh, I'm gonna stuff it up like Olympia. I'm gonna roll it up again 2, and then 3, and then 4. Touch that sauce. Put it right there. Make it tight.
That's true, bro. If you don't do that, what happens? It doesn't stick.
It's not gonna stick.
And it
so
unravels and becomes a throw up in your mouth.
As you can see, it's stuck. J Ray Eats in one bite. Oh, you want a bite too? No? Well, J Ray Eats, let go.
Let go. Ow. Sorry, I'm doing the sound effects too. But nom, nom, nom. Chomp chomp. What does that taste like? I feel like I'm scared.
I like the sauce. The sauce definitely enhances the flavor of everything in there.
It looks like too many veggies. It's like cumbersome.
Ah, it's crunchy.
Okay.
It works well with it all. So that's J Ray Eats. I'll see y'all later for another bite with Kazumi.
Wow.